Welcome to the Blue Star Higher Secondary School, Class 6 Subject Social Science. Children, last before class, we have covered three topics: difference and prejudice, creating the stereotypes, inequality, and discrimination. Now, today we are going to see on being of discriminated and striving for equality. On being discriminated against. Be all of them engaged in some activity. Yes, that is like teaching, carpentry, pottery, fishing, and farming. Around us, everyone doing the different jobs. In point of this time, these jobs are valued. For certain jobs, the values will be added. The cleaning and the vessels washing, air cutting, pick the garbage are less value. The high value and the low value, it has been discriminated. They have put one ladder. The topmost person doing this work like teaching, carpentry, this pottery, but lowermost people are doing the normal job. They have been given the names like they are dirty peoples and impure people. This is this is based on the caste system the communities has been came. Some people have been separated the job as a ladder. This was happening on those days like this. The caste system like the upper caste and lower class caste. The lower caste people are unworthy people. They won't even touch them because they have given the untouchability people. Was also happening on those days. They won't ever enter the temple. They also won't enter the areas also. The schools also, they send their children, they have the separate classes. You can see in this picture, they have a separate classes for the children. This is a discrimination. The Dalit means the people of lower class. We should not call as an untouchable people. The government has been given the name as a scheduled caste. This is about on being discriminated against. Here a story about the Dr. Ambedkar. The life story. 1901, the Dr. Ambedkar ages, small age will be there. Dr. Ambedkar and her friends, just 9 years old, for the experience he came to the father's place. Korangan is in Maharashtra place. He was waiting for his father. His father didn't come, and his father's servant also didn't call Dr. Ambedkar. He was waiting for nearly 1 hour, but no one came. After 1 hour, the station master saw why you were waiting. Dr. Ambedkar replied, I am waiting for my father. My father also didn't come, and a servant also didn't come and see. We have gone to the Korangan place. We want to go to the Korangan place. So we was waiting and the station master was checking the tickets. There was a two-person. In this picture you can see the two-person are well dressed very neatly. Who are you? That station master asking the two children. We are Mahads. In Mumbai, these people considered as a untouchability. When he was seeing this two-person was well dressed neatly, he was thinking that the station master was thinking that he was a Brahmin people. After seeing his caste, that station master face was fully totally changed. The children was thinking that how they are discriminating us. It may be so hurt. After 15 minutes, the station master came. What you want? We want to go to the Korangan. We don't know how to go. Can you hire the bullock carts? The two children asking the station master. The station master is saying, you don't go by the walk. Using bullock carts you can go. Many bullock carts persons are coming, but they are not allowing them. They have a lot of money with them. The children told that bullock carts, those who are going in bullock carts, we give the double money, but they are not accepting that because they are untouchability. They started the trip very happily, but they are become very sad after knowing this. This situation has happened upon the caste discrimination. This is wrong. We should not do like this. We should never discriminate others. Now we are going to see about Dr. Ambedkar. He was born in 1891 till he was 1956. He was known as a father Indian Constitution, and he was the Dalit leader of Magar caste. Mahar means very poor. He was fought against the Dalit rights. He was the first person, and he was completed his college education, and he went to the England and he became a lawyer. He encouraged all the schools and colleges to take a different kinds of government job for all the caste system. Dr. Ambedkar was the first person. He was completed the school education and he went to the England to become a lawyer. He was born on 1891 in 1956. He is the father of Indian Constitution. He encouraged all the schools and colleges to take a different kinds of government job for all the caste system. Afterwards, he has been converted to the Buddhism. He treated all the members equally. Everyone is equal for me. He has been treated like this. He gave a respect in this society. This is about the Ambedkar story. Next topic is starving for equality. Those days, the British was struggle for their freedom. The large number of groups who not fought against the British, they have been treated more equally. The Dalits was fighting for their rights and the women also fighting for their rights. For the rights of education. In 1947, after the independence, many aspects is there. They were written in the constitution very carefully. No discrimination should be done. The people should not be separated. They have the equal rights. The government should give the jobs equally. Due to the law, they has been abolished. Whatever the language you want to speak, you want to follow the religious, the festival, you can follow it. It can be free to you. They have been told under the Constitution of India. So all the religions should be equal. The assignment will be, what is the difference between the discrimination and stereotype? When you read the lesson only, what I have taught in video, you can clearly understand by this lesson when you go through it. Read the lesson number 2, that is diversity and discrimination. The page number is 18 till 23. Thank you, children.